We've just acquired this BMW M4. It's a limited edition competition which has the carbon fibre pack on it as well. Additions there. Got the blue calipers. Carbon fibre diffuser, quad exhausts. This vehicle does have park distance control, rear camera, electric memory seats, heated seats, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, full leather wingbacks M embossed seats, got the carbon fibre roof, got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, centre armrest. Just start it up for you. See satellite navigation, first camera, all the different ways of driving the car, don't ask me, it's got lots. It's only done 19,605 miles at the moment, half a tank of fuel, and I might use that. Harman Kardon. Really nice bodywork. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.